today's menu, a recipe so delicious you won't have much room for dessert. Mixed mushroom, stroganoff. Blender. 1 cup cashews. 1 cup water. Generous pinch salt. Blend on high until smooth. If you don't have a high-powered blender, soak the cashews overnight. Set aside. Bring a pot of water to boil for the pasta. This is about 300 grams of mixed mushrooms, and these are just mushrooms that I was able to find at this time, but of course you can use whatever mushrooms that you'd like. Peel down the oyster mushrooms. Slice the cremina mushrooms. Roughly chop the king oyster mushroom. Chop in half the seafood mushrooms. Again, you can use any mushrooms you like and create your own little chef mix. Three pieces of garlic, finely chopped. Half an onion, thinly sliced. Cook the pasta to package instructions. Non-stick pan. Medium heat. Dry saute the mushrooms for about 3 to 4 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. Garlic and onions. About 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 2 teaspoons smoked paprika. Half cup whiskey. Saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. Cashew cream. Season with salt and pepper. Stir. Thin out the sauce with half cup water. Stir for about a minute or 2 to combine the sauce, then turn the heat off. Strain out the water from the pasta. Plate. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley. You can now make this delicious mushroom dish with absolute confidence. 1.5 cups cashews. 3 pieces garlic. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 1 teaspoon pink salt. 3 tablespoons lemon juice. Drizzle of olive oil. Fresh cracked pepper. One cup water. Alright, this seems weird, but the final ingredient is the humble pickle, and this is what's going to give it that really nice sort of anchovy-ish, salty, tangy sort of flavor. Just need a couple inches worth of a pickle. Blend on high until emulsified. If you don't have a high-powered blender, you can soak the cashews overnight. The dressing will thicken further in the fridge and you can enjoy for up to 3 weeks. Lettuce, a couple tablespoons dressing, toss, you can add whatever you like to your salad. Some of my favorites are garlic croutons or roasted chickpeas. You can now make this show-stopping dressing with absolute confidence. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. Slice the carrot into matchsticks. You'll need about a 1/3 cup of carrots per portion, but of course you can always prep more and make more. Two tablespoons soy sauce. 3 tablespoons rice vinegar. Splash of toasted sesame oil. 3 tablespoons cane sugar. Splash of lime juice. Mix and let it marinate for about 10 minutes. Repeat with the cucumber. Turn off the heat and soak the noodles in the hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. 130 grams of vermicelli is good for 2 portions or 1 very hungry person. Pat dry about 175 grams of extra firm tofu, then slice into strips. Non-stick pan, medium heat, a dash of olive oil. Sear the tofu for about 45 seconds to a minute on each side. Season the tofu with pepper and salt. When the noodles are al dente, add some ice to stop it from cooking further. I mean, does that not look incredible, or what? Plate. vermicelli, carrot, cucumber, about a quarter cup of chopped red leaf lettuce, roll together some fresh cilantro and mint and chop. Tofu, optional, freshly chopped chili peppers, small bunch bean sprouts, couple tablespoons crushed roasted peanuts. And finally, drizzle over some of that amazing pickling juice that basically turns into an amazing dressing. You can now make this delightful noodle salad with absolute confidence. This is just so easy to put together. Literally nothing was really cooked. Everything is just assembled. Definitely my type of meal. Look at that amazing, amazing salad. The flavors are just phenomenal. It really is a bowl of perfect harmony. It's sweet, it's salty, it's tangy, and you have that amazing seared tofu, and just has everything that you want. I mean, you have noodles, have veggies, it's crunchy, it's really fresh, just really packed with flavor, and you have that amazing crunchy texture from the crushed roasted peanuts. That is really, really delicious. Absolutely amazing. Now, if you love noodle recipes like I do, then you'll definitely want to check out or get your copy of the Vegan Ramen Cookbook. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can find out more information. Plus, in that same link, you can watch the entire first class of the exclusive new plant-based sushi making masterclass. And that is a series of 5 classes where you can learn how to make incredibly delicious, stunning sushi right at home. Of course, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.